Good morning. How's it going today?
Hey, good morning. I'm doing pretty well, just a little tired, to be honest. How about you?
I'm great, just had my coffee. You know how that first cup in the morning sets the tone for the day.
Absolutely. I need that first cup to wake me up too. So, what's your usual routine in the morning?
Well, I wake up around 7 a.m. I like to start the day slowly. I spend a few minutes checking my phone, just to get a sense of what's happening in the world. Then, I go for a short jog to get some fresh air and wake up properly.
Sounds like a peaceful way to start the day. I usually snooze my alarm a couple of times before I actually get up. I'm not much of a morning person, haha.
Yeah, I get that. It's hard for me to get up too, but once I'm up, I feel so much better. After my jog, I make some breakfast. I like to have eggs with avocado or a smoothie.
Ah, breakfast. I usually just have cereal or toast with butter. Nothing fancy. What about after breakfast?
After breakfast, I take a quick shower to feel refreshed. Then, it's time to get ready for work. I usually spend a few minutes planning out my day, just to make sure I know what I'm doing.
Planning is key, for sure. I usually get dressed, pack my bag, and rush out the door. I've been trying to get better at organizing my mornings, but I'm still working on it.
It can be tough to find the right rhythm in the morning. Do you have a long commute to work?
It's not too bad. I usually drive for about 20 minutes, but sometimes there's traffic. How about you? Do you work from home?
Yeah, I do. I have a home office, so I don't have to worry about commuting. But I do miss having that clear boundary between home and work sometimes.
That's true. Working from home sounds nice, but I bet it can be hard to separate work from personal time.
Definitely. It's easy to just keep working, but I try to take breaks. After I start working, I usually dive into emails and check my schedule for the day. It's a lot of back and forth for the first few hours.
That sounds pretty typical. My morning at work is filled with meetings and catching up on emails. By lunchtime, I'm usually ready for a break.
Same here. Lunchtime is a great chance to recharge. What do you usually have for lunch?
I like to keep it simple. Maybe a salad or a sandwich. I'm trying to eat healthier, but I'm not always the best at it. What about you?
I try to eat something light too, like a salad with chicken or a quinoa bowl. After lunch, I usually take a short walk to clear my mind before getting back to work.
That's a good habit. I sometimes take a walk if the weather's nice. Otherwise, I just grab a coffee and head back to my desk.
Coffee is always a good idea. How's the rest of your day at work?
It's pretty much a mix of meetings, checking emails, and working on projects. It feels like there's always something new to handle. What about you? Any big tasks today?
Today, I have a couple of deadlines coming up. So, I'll be focusing on completing a report and answering some client questions. It's a bit stressful, but it's manageable.
I hear you. Deadlines can be stressful, but I find that once I get started, it's easier to stay in the flow. How do you stay motivated during the workday?
I like to break my tasks into smaller chunks. That way, I can focus on one thing at a time and feel accomplished as I check things off. Plus, I take small breaks every hour to stay focused.
I should try that. I tend to get distracted sometimes, especially when I have a lot of things on my plate. Do you ever listen to music or podcasts while you work?
I do. I find that listening to instrumental music or podcasts can help me concentrate. I don't have to focus on the lyrics, so it's like background noise to keep me going. What about you?
I love listening to podcasts too. It's a nice way to learn something new during the day. It helps the time pass faster, especially when I'm working on repetitive tasks.
Exactly. Podcasts are a great way to keep your brain engaged. Do you have any favorites?
I like podcasts about productivity and self-improvement. It gives me new ideas to apply to my work and personal life. How about you?
I enjoy a mix of true crime and personal development podcasts. It's nice to have a variety of things to listen to throughout the day.
That's cool. I always feel like I learn something new from podcasts. After work, do you have any plans?
Yeah, after work, I usually unwind with some reading or watch a TV show. I like to disconnect a bit before bed. What about you?
I like to go for a run after work to clear my head. It helps me unwind. Sometimes I'll meet up with friends or just relax at home.
That sounds like a good way to release stress. I also like to catch up with friends on the phone or in person if I have time. What's your favorite way to relax?
I think my favorite way to relax is just lying down and listening to music. I try not to overthink anything and just let my mind wander. It's like a mini escape.
That sounds perfect. I usually end the day with a warm bath or a good book. It helps me wind down before bed.
That's nice. I really need to be better about winding down before bed. Sometimes I stay up way too late watching shows or scrolling through my phone.
Yeah, it's easy to do that. But I've found that having a calming routine before bed helps me sleep better. I try to avoid screens an hour before I go to sleep.
I should definitely try that. Sleep is so important, but I often find myself staying up late.
It's tough, but your body will thank you in the long run if you get enough sleep. So, do you have any big plans for tomorrow?
Nothing too exciting, just work and then maybe a relaxing evening. How about you?
Same here. Just another busy day, but I'm looking forward to it. Maybe I'll try a new recipe for dinner tomorrow.
That sounds fun. What recipe are you thinking of?
I'm thinking of trying a new pasta dish with pesto and roasted vegetables. It sounds easy but delicious.
Yum, that sounds amazing. I'll have to try that sometime. Well, I'm looking forward to hearing about it tomorrow.
Definitely. Let's catch up tomorrow. Have a great evening.
You too. Talk to you soon.